नहीं जग रहा है, सो रहा है, कहाँ चला गया, इसकी चिंता हमें और आपको दोनों को मिलकर करनी चाहिए। चुनाव आयोग पता नहीं जग रहा है, सो रहा है, कहाँ चला गया, इसकी चिंता हमें और आपको दोनों को मिलकर करनी चाहिए। चुनाव आयोग पता नहीं जग रहा है, सो रहा है, कहाँ चला गया, इसकी चिंता हमें और आपको दोनों को मिलकर करनी चाहिए।
Across to Riyanka, she's joining us on the broadcast. Riyanka, Akhilesh Yadav saying that there were officers who compromised their integrity. Not surprising that Akhilesh Yadav has said this, but what is the basis of Samajwadi Party once again alleging that there has been EVM tampering, as a result of which the Aam Aadmi Party has lost the elections?
Well, isn't this something that we were already expecting, that the opposition will come out and once again blame the EVMs, and that is something that has happened. And now Akhilesh Yadav, one of the partners of the India Alliance, has come out and open, and he has questioned the integrity of the Election Commission officers. In fact, he's gone ahead and said that these officers must be awarded. He's calling them the Jabas of democracy, as he rightly mentions. And right now, we are seeing, no matter what it is, the failure of the Aam Aadmi Party this time in the national capital, that they could not gain the majority and they lost the elections here. But the India Alliance partner, Samajwadi chief, Akhilesh Yadav, was saying that there are awards that needs to be given to those of the officers of the Elections Commission who have compromised and worked under the government. So somewhere Akhilesh Yadav once again targeting the central government and calling the elections rigged. And he has, mentioned 5 such awards being given to the people who had the great right of voting not once but 6 times by casting votes alone in BJP in Milkipur. He's also blaming the elections. The by-polls had happened in Uttar Pradesh's Milkipur. He also says an award to be given to those who had done the voting by people who are no longer in this world, and they were not physically there. So several of these issues were raised by Akhilesh Yadav, and he has said that awards must be given to the officers of the Election Commission.
Yes, Riyanka, I'll request you to stay with us. I'll come back to you again, but let's also listen into that response that's coming in from the BJP that has hit back with the Samajwadi Party, saying that since the Indy cannot keep its alliance together, it is crying foul by casting false aspersions on the EVMs. That's a remark that's coming in from Jagdambika Pal of the BJP. Listen.
खिसियानी दिल्ली खंबा नोचे 61,700 वोट से हारे हैं, इतनी बड़ी मार्जिन से। दिल्ली में इतनी प्रचंड बहुमत से भाजपा जीती है। आज केजरीवाल खुद हार गए, मनीष सिसोदिया खुद हार गए। 48 सीटें आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मिली, 22 सीटें आप पार्टी को मिली। तो अगर ये चुनाव आयोग वही चुनाव आयोग है जिसमें आज अगर भाजपा दिल्ली में जीती है प्रचंड बहुमत, तो अभी पिछला चुनाव अरविंद केजरीवाल जीते थे, तब उनको 67 सीटें मिली थी और एक बार उनको 65 सीटें मिली 70 में, हमें 48 मिली है। तो जब हार जाते हैं अखिलेश यादव, तब ईवीएम पे सवाल उठाते हैं, बूथ कैप्चरिंग पे सवाल उठाते हैं।
And let's go across to Riyanka. Riyanka, if you can put this all in context, because while the Samajwadi Party has been openly advocating for the Aam Aadmi Party and not the Congress, has it even accepted to the fact that had Congress and the AAP fought the battle together, probably their vote share would have been better than what the BJP has got?
See, we have seen in several other instances the Samajwadi Party has distanced itself from the Congress wherever there was, calls for all the India Alliance leaders to come together. We have seen the Samajwadi Party putting its support for the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, before the elections in the national capital, Akhilesh Yadav had in fact supported Arvind Kejriwal and not Rahul Gandhi, which is the Congress party in whole. So yes, the rift, although we were talking about that there was a divide which is seen in the India Alliance, is also very much visible. On the other hand, BJP has taken pot shots for Akhilesh Yadav because of the statements that he's made, constantly blaming the Election Commission EVM, something that is does not make sense at a time when the people of the national capital have voted for the BJP.